AEG Lavatherm 56,840 liters, E70 fault code. My tumble dryer recently stopped working, no lights etc. Fuse OK, PCB getting power. The PCB was sent away for repair. On refitting the PCB I now get E70 showing. Based on other comments I have checked what I think is the thermistor and I get a resistance on a multimeter. The cables PCB/thermistor have been checked and are okay. Is the PCB remembering the fault that was registered just before it died and how do I clear this?
Hiya, can you post the product number, PNC, of the appliance please? It's on label in the door recess. Prefix the number with A so it's not crossed out when posted. E.g. A91441994100 thanks.
A9160966476.
Hiya, we need to try and recover an engineer fault code. Carry out the following. 1. The appliance must be switched off. 2. Switch the appliance on by turning the program selector knob one position clockwise. 3. Wait till the LEDs switch on and the beep of the buzzer, then press and hold together the start button and the button to the left of it. Attention, this operation must be carried out within 5 seconds. 4. Continue to hold down the buttons until the LEDs begin to flash and the buzzer sounds. Now, turn the knob a further 9 clicks clockwise, don't pause at any of the points. You should see another code displayed. Let me know the code. Now turn the machine to off, on and off again. Thanks.
I don't know if that has reset something, but now appears to be working. Thanks for your help.
Hiya, it can reset the board. Going into diagnostics and out again basically resets the software on the board. Hopefully it was simply a software problem and it's been resolved. If it goes wrong in the future, use the instructions I posted to obtain the engineer code. Hope this helped, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.